Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Alicia. So today we are going to have the program like we are going to write a program for printing the right triangle star pattern. So today's program is based on the pattern where we have to print the start program like start stars like this. Okay, in first row there will be first star. So first of all we will understand the logic behind this like pattern, then we are going to start the implementing the code. Okay, so understand here we can you can see like in this, in first row there is only one star. Okay, so this can be the logic behind this, and in a second row there are only two star. In a third row there are three star, and in a fourth row there are four star. Okay, and if we see in a first column there are five, in a second column there are four, and in a third column there are three star, and in a like fourth column there is a two star, and in the last there is a one star. So see here we can easily have the logic of one row one star, two row two star, second row. Okay, like not two row, it is the first, second, third row. So let's start implementing the logic. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's start. Now we are on the VS code where I have created, sorry, where I have created one of the class for public class right triangle star. So like we are printing the pattern is a right triangle star pattern, that is the name of that pattern. Okay, when in any interview or in any paper, like if we want to print that star, like they will give you like print right triangle star. So we have like you have to print that star. Okay, like in a first row. So first of all we will implementing, basically if you want to print any pattern at the time we need what, for any pattern we need loops, that is for loops. Okay, without using we cannot, like without for loop we cannot have the star pattern. Okay, now we can see like in a first row first star, here we need of, here we need two loops. Okay, one loop for column, one loop for row. Like first loop will be print like first star, then again it have to stop and it have to go to the second line. But at that time it there we need of two loops. So here we need, that is two loops. So now I'm going to start the implementing the code like for int, sorry, we have to follow the perfect syntax. For I is equal to, I start from 0. As in Java, if you are starting I from like for loop from the 1, then it will give error, because in the Java loops are starting from the 0. The index is 0. Like in for array, index is 0. Okay. Now I is less than, if I want to print 5 stars, okay, then I is less than equal to 5. Okay. Now I plus plus, this is for iterating towards the like row by row. Now we have to, like this for loop is for, okay, I will comment like here it will be iterating towards the, now, or we can say like for int j is equal to 0. This will also start from 0, but this will end at j is equal to I. J is the less than is equal I. Okay, if suppose like first of all I will write the code, then I will explain whole. Now it's out. Here we don't have use the print ln, because if we are using print ln, then every time we will having the star at a new line, but we don't want the star at a new line, we want in a row. So that's why print star. Now after that, if this for loop end, like if one time the j like star is printed, then we have to go to the next line. So this for loop will end, then we have to go to next line. At that time we are going to have the use of new line. So yeah, now first of all I will explain the line by line code. Okay, like here you can see the I value is 0. Okay, I value is 0. Now this will enter in this loop, so here j value is also 0, but j is less than I. Is it was here j is less than I? Is it? No, it is equal to. So this loop will be terminated and i's value get incremented. Okay, now I value will be 1, and also j value will be uh like first of all I will run this code, what will be there. Okay, we'll see. You can see here 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. The code is get printed. Okay, so our code is right. Now, okay. Yes. First of all, control us. Again, we will run the code. We were having the same. I think so. Again, runs again. Okay, first of all, we will have to compile this code because we have to see Java C right triangle star dot Java. Java right triangle star. Okay, so here you can see our code is executed successfully. Now we will understand the code. Okay, if we see here, now j is equal to 0 and j is less than I. So i's value is now 1. Okay, i's value is now 1 because we have incremented the i's value. Okay, so if you see here i's value 1 and j's value is 0. So it will iterate the loop one time. Okay, so it will iterate one time, so it will print the star. But then next time what happened, the j's value will get incremented as a 1, but i's value is a 1, so I value is less than j is less than I. No, the condition will be false, and again we will go to for loop and i's value get incremented as first of all we will like it will get incremented as a 2. Okay, first of all, before this it is 1, now it will be incremented as a 2. Okay, like first row we have print 1 star. At that time the value of 1, like at the time of the value of 1 is 0, then 1, now 2. Like for 2, if j is equal to 0 and j is less than 2, this condition will be satisfied. Now here the star will be printed. Then again we will see where j's value is like j will value will be get incremented. At that time we will having like j is equal to 1 and I is equal to 2. So again the condition will be satisfied, and on the next tray we will having the 2 star. Like this whole code is going to executed, and this all the things are going to print. So this is the like code for triangle star pattern. Okay, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you. This is the code. If you want the code, take a screenshot. This is the proper code. Okay, bye bye.